Example 5. You randomly select 3 cards from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that all 3 cards are hearts when, and then we have letters A, B, and C. Now, if you're not familiar with a standard deck of 52 playing cards, we kind of have a breakdown here. There are 4 suits and 2 colors. When I say a suit, we have hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. Half of them are red, so the hearts and diamonds are red cards. Spades and clubs are black cards. And then we have ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have our face cards, which are jack, queen, and king, which is going to make up an entire deck of 52 cards. Now, part A, what is the probability that all 3 cards are hearts when you replace each card before selecting the next card? So I want to know the probability of 3 hearts and we're replacing. So first of all, we reach into the bag. What's the probability that we get a heart? Well, here are all of our hearts. And there are 13 out of 52 total, which really 13 out of 52 is going to make up 1/4 of the deck. So the probability of getting a heart is 1/4. Now, it says that we put the card back in the deck. So we're still looking at a full deck of cards. What's the probability that when I reach in again, I get another heart? Well, that's going to be 1/4. And then I put it back again. What's the probability that I pull another heart? That's still 1/4. So the probability of 1/4 times 1/4 times 1/4 is 1/64, which is roughly 1.56% chance. So your chances, not that great. Now, part B. What's the probability that you get 3 hearts when you do not replace the card? So now I'm going to reach into the bag. I have a full deck of cards. What's the probability I get a heart? Well, that's 1/4. Now I'm going to keep that card. I'm going to put it in my pocket or I'm going to throw it away, which means, let's say I picked that heart. What's the probability that I get another heart? Well, now there's not 13 in the bag. There's only 12. And because I'm holding one of the cards, there's not 52. There's only 51. So now I'm looking at a probability of 12 out of 51. And I'm going to keep that card as well. So I picked another heart. Let's say it was that one. So now I'm going to reach in again. There's only 11 left. And because now I have 2 of the cards out of the bag, there's only 50 left. So now my probability of getting another one is 11 out of 50. That's going to give us 11 out of 850, which is roughly 1.29%. Part C, compare the probabilities. So it looks to me, if we replace the card, it's going to be a little bit higher. It's still low, but when you put the heart back in the deck, you're giving yourself another small chance of getting that heart. When you keep the heart out of the deck, so part B, you're actually diminishing your chances of picking it. So you're less likely to get 3 hearts by keeping the hearts and removing a card from the deck.